In this video, I'll show you how to find your TRC20 address in Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing that you need to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll drop a link down below in the description and the pinned comment. And by using my link, you'll get a $100 welcome bonus. After you've logged into your account, you're going to come right down here to the bottom right of the screen and click on the wallet icon or assets. Once you do that, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you're going to go right over here and click on deposit. From here, we're going to look for USDT. And if you don't see USDT in the list, you could simply search for it in the search bar up top. Click on USDT. And from here, we're going to pick the Tron TRC20 network. And this is going to bring up your USDT TRC20 deposit address for Binance. You can come right over here and click on these two squares to copy your address so you can share it. Or you can simply go right down here, tap on save and share address. And that's how to find your USDT TRC20 address in Binance. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.